And today we're going to do some quick math subitizing using a die. Did you know one of these is called a die and two or more is called dice? So I'm going to roll this and you're going to see if you can tell me how many dots there are as fast as you can. At first you might need to count them, but soon you'll be able to tell without counting at all. If I go too fast for you, you can pause the video or you can go back and watch it again. Good luck, friends!